हे हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज योर बॉलीवुड स्पाई यानी कि आरजे दिव्य सोलगमा। और इस वक्त हमारे साथ मौजूद है हम सबकी चहेती शमिता शेट्टी। सबसे पहले तो यार कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस फॉर ब्लैक विडोज। कैसा रिस्पॉन्स आ रहा है, प्लीज बताइए।
It's too soon, no, to tell. आज ही आया है and whoever's seeing it is loving it. Actually, I know people who actually sat all night and binge watched it. They've called me in the morning and they've told me and they've loved the show. So I'm really happy. I haven't seen it myself, so I'm going to watch it today.
कितना चैलेंजिंग था ये रोल, क्योंकि काफी वेरिएशन दिखता है आपके कैरेक्टर में, स्पेशली आपके कैरेक्टर में। कहीं पे वो गुस्सा भी है, थोड़ा सा एक ह्यूमर साइड भी है, थोड़ा सार्केज्म भी है। तो कैसा था ये, प्लीज बताइए।
मेरे लिए बहुत I think difficult था initially because it's not a character that I read and I jumped with joy wanting to do it. It was a character that I needed to sort of initially needed to understand a lot more to
ओके।
convince myself to do it. बिगिनिंग स्टोरी में जब मैंने एटलीस्ट स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ा था तो मुझे समझ में नहीं आया था कि ये इतनी इमेच्योर, इतनी स्टूपिड क्यों है। एंड जैसे ही पूरा स्क्रिप्ट मैंने पढ़ा तो आई अंडरस्टूड व्हाई शी वाज द वे शी वाज। एंड द डायरेक्टर आल्सो हेल्प्ड मी इन दैट सेंस बिकॉज we sat down and we created or we understood her backstory, which led her to become the person she was. Very, very restless, immature, impulsive, and itni insecure wo kyun hai. Once he did that with me, I kind of understood Kavita better. And slowly as the story progressed, you kind of begin to like her, love her, and you feel bad also for her, towards the end of it.
लेकिन एक चीज है जो सब अग्री करेंगे, एंड दैट इज यू आर लुकिंग फैबुलस इन द शो। तो एक तो
Thank you.
वो सब बाकी के जितने भी है, नो ऑफेंस टू एनीवन एल्स, बट आप बहुत प्यारी लग रही है। तो ये राज क्या है, फिटनेस मंत्रा क्या है, प्लीज बताइए।
Thank you so much for the compliment. um, well, I work out a lot. मैं ये नहीं कहूंगी कि मैं अपने डाइट को लेके बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट हूँ। मुझे खाना बहुत पसंद है, तो मुझे जो मेरा जो मन करता है मैं खाती हूँ। या आई अवॉइड ग्लूटेन,
ओके।
आई अवॉइड लैक्टोस, बट अदरवाइज मुझे जो खाना है मैं खाती हूँ। लेकिन हाँ, मैं जिम जरूर जाती हूँ एंड आई slog it out in the gym, so वो balance हो जाता है। But as far as looks and whatever is concerned, आपने कभी मेरी माँ को देखा है? At her age, she still has better skin than Shilpa and me, and she's beautiful, So we are just like a little patch on my mother.
The series also has many great actors in this. This is like someone people are waiting to, सब एक से एक धुरंधर जो एक्टर्स कह सकते हैं वो है। तो वर्किंग एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा?
बहुत अच्छा रहा. In fact, that was one of the reasons also, apart from the script, the brilliance of the script. When I found out that these actors were going to be a part of the web series, I was very excited. I wanted to be a part of it. And like you said, each and every character is so well etched in the series. And all very, very good actors. I had a wonderful time working with all of them. There's so much you can kind of learn, from working with actors like these. Every moment, I think I will always cherish, because it was just, I think also because we shot it start to finish during the pandemic, and all of us were staying together for like 2.5 months. So we also ended up spending a lot of more time after our shoots also. And I had a blast shooting for this one.
बट कहीं पे टेंशन था जब आप ये कोविड टाइम्स में शूटिंग कर रहे थे? तो इनिशियली कुछ?
Of course, I mean, especially in the beginning, beginning बहुत difficult था, because पहली बार लॉकडाउन के बाद निकल रहे हैं, and I think in my family I was the first one to really get out and get back to work, so everyone was very nervous. And जब मेकअप होता है तो we can't really wear a mask, you know. So that was very very scary for me. But then जो हमारी crew है, they were taking a lot of care. जो COVID protocols है, that was being followed. You know, time to time sanitization, masks, everything, the basics were followed. So that made us feel a little better.
The basic germ of this, you know, series is the very big topic worldwide of domestic violence. So have you, any of your near ones या dear ones have gone through this या something कुछ जो आपको लगा था कि शायद वो experience से यहाँ पे आप connect कर पाई?
No, I'm actually really grateful, thankful that, you know, my friends have not been through it, but I know it's a very big issue that you know, people are, a lot of women out there are dealing with. And I mean, to all those women out there, all I will say is I understand it's really difficult because there are other factors also that, you know, come into play when you think about ending a marriage or moving on, or, you know, leaving your spouse. Well, just talk about it, you know, reach out, talk about it, because that gives you you know, the strength, the courage to do what is right for you as well. That's all I will say. Reach out to someone and talk about it.
आपके काफी फैंस बहुत खुश है आपको वापस यू नो बिग ये स्क्रीन पे देख के, लेकिन एक जो क्वेश्चन आया है कि 20 साल हो गए मोहब्बतें को, यू नो इट्स शॉकिंग लगता है, मतलब कि कल ही पिक्चर रिलीज हुई थी ऐसा लगता है। तो क्या स्पेशल मेमोरी जब भी इस फिल्म की बात होती है तो कोई एक ऐसी चीज जो एवरी टाइम यू रिमेंबर?
मोहब्बतें
या
और ब्लैक विडोज?
मोहब्बतें।
Oh God, Mohabbatein was my first film, so that will be the most beautiful memory I will always cherish. क्योंकि वहाँ पे everything was happening to me for the first time. जो first time होता है, we always remember it. You know what I mean? And I will always remember the beautiful friendships I made. Just the film. I mean, it was just such a beautiful film to be a part of. I had the opportunity to work with Amit ji, who I'm such a big fan of, the opportunity to work with Aditya Chopra. And at that point in time, I was a huge fan of, you know, Dilwale. And I got to interact with Yash ji. So, and I've always been a huge Yash Raj fan, you know, so it was like a dream come true for me. It was just a beautiful experience.
कुछ और फैंस के सवाल आए और एक ने ये पूछा है कि आपने हाल ही में कहा था कि बिग बॉस आप नहीं देखती, तो कोई खास रीजन है उसके पीछे?
Well, actually जब मैं बिग बॉस घर से बाहर निकली, it is a very stressful place to live in for for so long.
Correct.
And yes, I mean, when I came out, I was definitely stronger, but इतने stress के बाद I didn't want to watch any more on screen. So मैं बाहर आई, I didn't even watch my episodes. And उसके बाद I never really got back to watching Big Boss. Especially now, I just feel there's too much violence in that show. When I say violence, I mean this constant, people are even hitting each other, people are screaming. I don't know what the message is, you know, what sort of message is going out there to the people. It's still a very popular show because people like to see something real. And you know, but it's not my kind of show. I like to watch stuff that keeps me calm and peaceful and has a positive effect on me. If I feel it's not helping my growth in any way, I just will not, you know, waste my time.
लेकिन जब आपने एग्जिट लिया था, ऑफ कोर्स फॉर पर्सनल रीजन था, काफी आपके फैंस शैटर्ड हो गए थे, तो दोबारा कभी आपको ऐसा लगा कि मैं वापस, यू नो, दे ऑल फेल्ट कि यू शुड गो बैक, या मे बी कोई और सीजन में?
नहीं, बिल्कुल नहीं। अब तो मैं जाऊंगी ही नहीं. Nobody follows the rules. मेरे टाइम में we had a rule book. We had to read it. We had to follow it. We respected Big Boss. You know what I mean? People in there are just doing stuff to stand out. They are very insolent. They कुछ भी बोलते रहते हैं अंदर. They're constantly fighting. They don't even respect Big Boss sometimes. So I don't know. I mean, our time was very different. I think ours was probably the last sane show. sane season, second season.
लेकिन जो आपने ये जो बात की अबाउट कि काफी लोग वहां पे नेगेटिविटी है, और इस सीजन में भी राहुल वैद्य ने भी घर छोड़ दिया था अगेन बिकॉज ऑफ दैट स्ट्रेस लेवल पे ही।
अच्छा।
तो आपको लगता है कि एक्चुअली में वहां पे बहुत ज्यादा मतलब अंदर हो क्या ऐसा होता है कि लोग इतने स्ट्रेस आ जाते हैं?
आप जब लॉकडाउन में थे, हाउ डिड यू फील?
या फ्रस्ट्रेशन।
Yeah, because you were confined to one space. Imagine a place that was filled with cameras. You had no privacy. You don't have your phone. No sense. No other source of entertainment. You have situations being created for you inside, to make you, to push you out of your comfort zone and make you fight. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So it's not a very nice situation to constantly be in, and it psychologically has an effect on you, on your mind. And जब मैं गई थी अंदर, I had no agenda. I had not planned कि मैं ये करूंगी, गेम खेलूंगी, TRP के लिए ये करूंगी, वो करूंगी. No. When I went into Bigg Boss house, I said yes 1 week before. So जब मैं अंदर गई, I didn't know what I was getting myself into. I did it for an experience. मैं गई अंदर and जब वो दरवाजा बंद हुआ मेरे पीछे, I realized, oh my God, मैंने क्या कर दिया अभी. And I'm a very private person, so it took me some time to get used to cameras in my, cameras everywhere, capturing every moment. I mean, like I said, everything in your life happens at the right time for a reason. Bigg Boss मेरी जिंदगी में, मेरे life में आया, I think at the right time. It gave me what I needed. I got paid very well. So everything kind of, worked out for the best for me. But I would not go back into that house.
But कोई दोस्त है इस बार आपके?
विकास है, शायद. I think Vikas Gupta.
Yeah.
He was with me on Khatron Ke Khiladi as well. So I know him. Ali also. And yeah, I mean, I'm not watching the show, so I really don't know what's happening.
Of course. तो ये 2.0 वर्जन ऑफ शमिता के लिए अभी नेक्स्ट क्या है? कौन सी मूवीज, कौन सी सीरीज? क्या ये OTT प्लेटफॉर्म पे हम आपको बहुत सारी और भी शोज में देखेंगे?
Well, प्लान तो यही है. I want to do a lot more work. मैं इस बार चाहती नहीं हूँ कि इतना गैप रहे एक रिलीज के बीच में, दूसरी रिलीज के बीच में. But yeah, I really want to do more work. So I'm hoping now OTT, I think this platform is giving us the opportunity to do a lot more work. And I've not signed anything new till now. I wanted Black Widows to come out. But I do have another release, The Tenant, which is a movie. I don't know when that's going to release though. And hopefully I'll sign something new and I'll start working again.
Wow. Chalo, fingers crossed for that, and all the best. And thank you for being with us.
Thank you so much.
Take care.
Bye-bye.
Bye.